God gave you the energy, and you got the energy.